Hi everybody, thank you for joining our CTO Foresight series. My name is Shamlan Siddiqi, I'm CTO for Public Sector at NTT Data. And today I want to talk to you about a topic that's garnered a lot of attention in public sector and state and local and federal government. And that's the topic of IoT, or the Internet of Things, also known as the next evolution of the Internet. So what is IoT? I think the simple way of explaining it is really the extension of internet connectivity to physical devices as well as commonplace objects like thermostats, refrigerators, washing machines, or things like the home or the car or traffic signals. But it goes beyond the interconnectivity that we're talking about. It goes into the analysis of the data that you're garnering from this. How do you harness the power of the data that IoT is bringing and being able to provide predictability and analysis and better insights and decisions? According to IDC, there's tremendous growth in this space. By 2020, there's going to be 4 times more devices than people. This type of growth actually helps to transform industries and business models. You're looking at different as-a-service models coming into play. You're looking at different business process transformation initiatives, things like better optimized asset utilization, more predictive maintenance, better business process optimization across multiple industries. And you're now tying different ecosystems together as well. So I think the best way to really understand IoT is through 4 key concepts that I want to leave you with: connect, control, collect, and analyze. And these form the foundation of a good IoT program and project. So connect, we started talking about that earlier on, but it goes beyond connectivity. It really is bringing a fabric and bridging the gap between the physical world, the digital world, and the biological world, all wrapped into a transformative experience. Control. This is actually a very unique feature of IoT type systems, where you now have the ability to control physical devices remotely. 1 device, okay. 2 devices, fine. 5 devices, all right, no problem. But what if you have 500 devices, 10,000 devices, 1 million devices? Control becomes extremely critical. The next 2 are absolutely imperative. They're collect and analyze. So collecting the data. Now, through the use of sensors and the LiDAR and radar and all these different unstructured avenues of collecting data, you're now bringing all this information. But the second part of that is important as well. So what? Now that you have the data, what are you going to do with that data? IoT is all about the analysis of that and synthesis of that data to be able to provide better decision making, predictability in the environment that you're looking at. Use cases are very important in this case. Again, connecting, controlling, collecting, and analyzing. Key foundations of IoT. As transformative as IoT has been as a technology and continues to be, it hits at the heart of 2 really key areas. One is around security of the data, the security of the information that's being transferred back and forth through different endpoints, but it also is the privacy. IoT devices generate an unprecedented level of data, and that data has to be managed and controlled. And the privacy issue becomes a much bigger issue because where is that data going? Who owns that data? Who's controlling that data? Who has access to it? Do they have permission? So those are 2 issues that we're going to be dealing with in our next segment as it relates to IoT type technologies. So stay tuned for our next series, and we look forward to talking to you.